Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to realize the 6-pointed star puzzle. It's really easy to do. What we need is a paper color paper, ruler, pencil, compass and a scissor. First we start to draw a circle, and I'm going to open my compass of, let's say, 3.5 centimeters. Donc I draw a circle like that. When it's done, I'm going to choose a point on the circumference. Whenever you want, you point, and I'm going to draw a little mark like that. Now I take my compass, place my compass here, and I make the same. I make the little mark like that. So this one too. Same here. When it's done, I'm going to trace a line from this point to this one. I'm doing the same from this one to this one. And when you do that, it has to be precise. I make that a little fast, so it's not really precise, but take your time to do it. Okay. I do the same with the 3 other points. When it's done, I'm going to measure the distance between this point and this point. I got some things like 2 centimeters. I'm going to prolong this line of 2 centimeters. When it's done, I'm doing the same here. I'm going to prolong that line of 2 centimeters. And now I'm going to rejoin that point to that point. Okay. And we just draw our first piece of the puzzle. And I need to do that with the other. Okay, this and this is done. Donc I need to prolong this one of 2 centimeters. Now I'm going to rejoin that point to that one. Okay, same here, prolong of 2 centimeters. I rejoin that line to that one. What I'm doing is drawing an hexagon. We'll see. Okay, I prolong that line 2 centimeters. Okay, connect the 2 points here. Okay, doing the same with this one. Prolonge of 2 centimeters. Connect these 2 points. Okay, and finally these 2 points. And now what I need to cut along this line and this line and this line. This one, I need this piece. I'm going to do that. Okay, oh, just take the scissors and we're going to cut the piece. Okay, I'm going to cut the first piece. Inside that. Okay, we have our first piece, second piece. It's really an easy puzzle to do, and you can ask to your friend to try to put all the pieces together to make a star, and that will be a lot of fun. Okay, last piece. Okay, we got our 6 pieces. And like I say, you ask your friend if they can do the star. Ta-da! Easy puzzle to do. Let me know in the comment what do you think.